How to disconnect and reconnect your PS5 controller. So if your controller's not working properly, you may need to go and reset it. Now there's two ways to do this. So the first method is you can head over to your PlayStation home screen like this, come up to settings in the top right hand side, and then scroll down to accessories and click on this. Now click on the General tab and come over to Bluetooth accessories. You'll then need to select your PS5 controller from the list and just go and press disconnect. Now once it's been disconnected, you can go and reconnect the controller. So to reconnect the controller, grab a USB-C cable, plug one end into your PS5 controller and the other end into the console. You can then press the PlayStation button in the middle of your controller and this should go and repair the device. Now if it's still not working, another way to do this is if you come round to the back of the controller, you'll see this small pin hole. Now this is essentially the reset button on your controller. So what you can do is go and grab something like a small pin and you need to hold this button down for around about 10 seconds. Now once it's been reset, all of the lights should then go off on your controller. Once it's been disconnected, you can go and reconnect it just by once again grabbing the USB-C cable, and once it's connected, press the PlayStation button, and that's how to disconnect and reconnect your PS5 controller.